Out here playing around, having a little fun. That's Ross Basin dead ahead, the bowl area. This is Hurricane Pass. And then looking on around, you can see the top of the Jeep. I'll show it to you in just a minute. And you can see them pretty much up to the axles in snow. And it's steep enough I could fight it if I wanted to, but it's not worth the effort and trouble to the vehicle. Anyhow, there's the sign for Hurricane Pass. As you can see, so you can tell I'm not fibbing to you. And then we'll go down. You can see that this is the road that heads to California Pass and Lake Como. Go up here. That's Poughkeepsie Gulch. We're looking down. California Pass is at the edge of that back ridge. I can't see it because I can't go far enough down there. There's Lake Como. It's not as pretty because the sun's not shining into it to show you its deep green and blue color. And then that's Poughkeepsie Gulch there we're looking down. Anyhow, pretty well done for the season. As you can see, we got the snow a week ago and we've had plenty of warm weather. There's still a fair amount of snow here, so probably here to stay. You can see I got real close. Yeah, y'all have a good day. We'll talk to you later.